Hi, Gadget UK here again, just a really short, quick follow-on video. In the repair video I did for this, I talked about the incompatibility with some of the older games, not very many I don't think, and you've got a switch on the back here that you use to toggle between the Supergrafx mode and the compatible mode. And the game I mentioned as a good example is Space Harrier. So you will see what happens with this game is you start, everything looks normal, music's there, everything's fine, you hit start, and you think, yeah, it's working, and then oh, hang on, where's the screen gone? Yeah, something's happening in that game that is switching the second VDP on, I think, or certainly switching the first VDP off. That's what's happening, and obviously it's because it was developed at a time when there was only a single VDP in the memory map there. Programmers didn't need to worry about accidentally switching off the VDP because it's only the Supergrafx that brought that functionality in. But if we carefully switch that switch towards the edge there, and try the same game again, I can just hit start here to load it. You'll see that's now in compatibility mode, so I'm guessing the second GDP and the arbitration between the two GDPs is disabled. So it's kind of, you know, 100% standard PC Engine. For the most part, probably something like, I would say 99% of the games probably work in the Supergrafx mode. You wouldn't need to worry about it. But if you do come across a game like this, you would need to switch that switch over. And this is what happens if you leave that switch on and you're trying to load a Supergrafx game. You just get a black screen. We'll try a different one. So I'll try 1941 counterattack. Again, we just get a black screen, and I think it's because the second VDP is disabled. This is looking for it, so that's the same behaviour you would see on PC Engine trying to play a Supergrafx game when you can't. The other thing I forgot to mention, I'll stick a link up there in the repair video, is the power supply. I ended up just getting a 9 volt 1 amp. It's a cheap Chinesium sort of power supply, this, and you can see I just put my own connector on, put some heat shrink there. I'll stick the DC jack size up there. It's important you get the polarity correct. And having switched it back into the Supergrafx mode, hopefully, yeah, there we go, that should work. So just bear in mind, if you pick up a Supergrafx and it doesn't seem to be behaving normally, you see the symptoms I've had there, you get a black screen, just make sure that switch is in the right position. Anyway, thanks for watching, I'll catch you in the next one.